Okay, so we went up and tried to find another floor that has a washing machine that actually works. Okay, so as you can see, these two, they are both plugged. Okay, and this means that they can work. Unless we didn't see them during the day, because usually we do our rounds at night. Okay, so since they're working, I'm gonna show you guys how one of them works. So here's the thing. This one usually takes around 2 hours to be done, so I don't really like to use it when I'm in a rush, and I am sort of in a rush right now. But the usual, you do the stuff in, you put the soap, and then if it's white, you could put it on high heat, and if it's not white, then if it's colored, it's usually low heat, the lowest possible. And I can honestly see 20 in here, so I would just do this. And you can not actually play with these. I've tried to do it several times and it doesn't work, but it usually takes 2 hours unless you want it to take more than it would. And then you press the start button and make sure you close it tightly, because if you don't, it will not work. And when it's done, make sure you wait 2 minutes until the door for you to try to open the door, or else it will get stuck. Okay, so now we have mine. So we're doing wet today. So the usual, it means we could go on a high temperature, and I want to put it on cotton. I'm just gonna do 60 for today. Okay, so you want to press the start. You could pick whatever you want as the movement, and I want it to be really high. And you close the door, close it tightly, and now you can press start. I forgot the most important part, the soap. So, a lot of the soaps kind of have, there we go. You could put as much as you want, but usually I like to use a little bit more. So yeah, okay, so we put the soap in, and let's start it. The door is closed, everything's okay. Start. And you wait until you hear the sound. Any second. Okay, there we go. So maybe you do need to click on it for a while, but some of them usually don't require this. So now you have to wait until it's done. It usually takes an hour. You could do that, and then when it's done, wait 2 minutes, and then try to open the door. Because look, it literally says wait 2 minutes. Please refrain from trying to open it beforehand, or else you might get a warning. Okay? So have a lovely day, you guys.